Money rules. I think when people hear rules, they're like, oh, another thing that I have to abide by. But money rules are just that. You determine the rules, but making sure that they are fitting to what your lifestyle is, what your goals are, and what your overall family dynamics is. Something that's not optional is saving, because you want to have a safety net. That's the best feeling. Also, knowing that a budget is fluid. It's not going to stay the same. It's just like you. You're not going to stay the same. And becoming and talking and having those money conversations and setting those money rules for your family, it's going to change your bank account. And that's key. Credit can be a healthy part of your overall financial ecosystem, because it's more than just a score. And so as we start to think about the future, we can do small things right now. And that's going to be the thing that's going to allow your money to rule where you're going next. So don't look at it as the rules as a negative thing. It's actually a positive. The good thing about these rules is that you get to set them.